Welcome to the KMTRADERS channel. We are looking at Bitcoin for this video. So basically I'm just going to quickly get into the actual video in terms of the analysis side. All of the reviews, the review that I typically do on the channel has been done in a video now. So it has all the other pairs in terms of like how we've done, when our entries are, etc. That is called Friday profit update. So that just shows everything in terms of how well we've done with our analysis as well. So yeah, so let's just get into the analysis then. So if we just take a step back and have a look at our indicators and our levels. So this is a daily, and we're looking at the Bitcoin right now. So we can see that price, the EMA is slowly converging over now, and we are rejecting our top of our EMA. So we have one rejection there, two, and we also found our rejection on a higher time frame, which is obviously evident now, which is important for analysis as well. So what I'm seeing here is a clear rejection from our key level at 9883 with that huge pin bar up and with that rejection from the EMA. So this is quite clear that we're kind of in a bearish momentum now. So if we was to draw this here, an uptrend, and just try to get it as clean as possible, just trying to draw it quickly. We can see that we're in the breakout form and we've kind of rejected it to some degree. So that is quite important. Let me go ahead and just quickly, we need that on a lower time frame so we can see it. Let's change the visibility. Yeah. Sorry about that. So let's go step it to the 4 hourly now. So we can see that this is the monthly here. I'll just put it in a bit thicker. So we've broken out it once and we've found a retest now. So we can see that we're technically in a bearish market, and we also have the EMAs to back it up as well, that we're in this downwards momentum. So currently, as of this video, we are finding a rejection at 9883. And that's with an hour and a half to spare. So and I obviously assume that if this is to close a bit further down, I would be entering a short here. However, I understand that this may not be, you may not be viewing this right now. So in terms of another option, I'll be looking for short entries, but if I could find something along the lines like this, a rejection, a breakthrough to the bottom of this zone, and then a rejection for a retest, and then we'll obviously see if we could go any lower than that. So that would be a possible short scenario for Bitcoin here. In terms of another possibility, is if we could break out of our downwards trend and we'll shoot up. We either find rejection at our key level here at 9883, or we break out and then we find a retest level at our zone here, which is roughly at 9650, and then we find our up momentum again. So depending on how price plays out in the next few days, I'll be keeping an eye on it. So if you sorry, let me just pop these in. So I'm just drawing the scenarios in here at different levels. So just two buying options here. So we're on our key level or on our zone, and then a short on our zone if we do get that. So as I was saying, if you are interested in getting into Bitcoin and would like to follow the strategy that I'm using, I post them on Twitter, so give you the update in live version form. So it is quite frequent, so you can get into it easier with the analysis to see where I'm coming from. So it's not too complex, so it's quite easy for learners. So if that is something that interests you, go ahead and follow my Twitter handle, which is at KMTRADERS_. And that'll be all. So thank you very much for listening, and I'll see you next week.